Shawty got sex appeal. I'm at my best, yeah. Lick on the flesh, yeah. Squeeze on the brush, yeah. I need the big deals. I need the big wheels.
Hey my babies, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be doing I have in mind this really pretty, like, I want to call it different shades of brown. I don't know, but yeah, I have this vision in mind, and yeah, I just wanted to fool around in makeup, so let's do this. I did this eye on camera. The footage was messed up. I'm glad I didn't do this eye yet. So before we get any further, let's just get straight into it. I'm going to cut my crease with my P. Louise base in the shade in number 2. Just blend this out. This brush, and then I'm going to take that Downtown Brown by Maybelline, that loose pigment. I'm going to pack it onto the brush, and now I'm going to pack it onto my outer corner. Now I'm going to take this Nomad palette, and I'm going to go into this shade called Hands Up. This shade right here. And I'm going to also apply that right over that shade that I just put on. Okay. Now I'm going to still stay with that Nomad palette. Now I'm going to go into Kreuzberg, which is this like whitish color right here, but it looks like it has like little reflects of blue. Okay, y'all, so this is the actual eye. I'm going to clean it up a little bit more, but as you can see, it actually is the same. I think this look is so pretty, y'all. Like, I don't usually do stuff like this. Like, if you look at my videos and stuff like that, I try to do like pinks, which is something that I gravitate to, which is weird. I don't know why, because this is really, really pretty. But I'm gonna go apply my liner, my lashes, and I'll be back to finish up the face. My lashes are on. These are actually my brand lashes. This is the brand Exquisite Winks. I'll leave the link in the description down below. But anyway, let's move forward. I'm going to prime my face, and I go crazy with this because I really like how it grabs my makeup. So I actually use Juvia's Place the I Am Magic Velvet Matte Foundation, and this is in the shade Miley, which is 1/3. Base is on. Now I'm gonna go in with my concealer. This is also by Juvia's Place, and this is in the number 8. Okay, I'm also going to take my Juvia's Place contours, my foundation stick, and this is in Congo, and I use this as contour. this is how you make sure of that. You just blend. If you don't use a brush, just use a sponge. I'm going to use my priming water again to go back into my makeup brush that I use for my base. And I just pat everything together. I'm going to go into my Juvia's Place, the Saharan Volume 1 palette. And I'm going to use these two shades right here together. This is the darkest shade, which is Abby, and then Toby, which is orange. This brush, and I'm going to do highlighter. So I'm going to go back into that blush palette, and I'm going to use these two shades and highlight. Oh yeah, I'm going in with Pink Plaid by MAC. Gloss Bomb and Fussy. I'm gonna go put on an outfit, do my hair, and I'll be right back. Alright my babies, this is my final look. If you like how this came out, just let me know in the comments down below. Let me know. I put a whole outfit on now and I feel a lot better. But if you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe this video. Don't forget to share this video. Don't forget to tell everybody about this video. Don't forget to run it up. Just let me know. But until I'm coming at y'all tomorrow with another video. If it ain't tomorrow, it's definitely gonna be the day after that. And I got my natural hair out. But yeah, babies, I see you all in my next video.
Shawty got sex appeal. I'm at my best, yeah. Lick on the flesh, yeah. Squeeze on the breast, yeah. I need the big deals. I need the big wheels. Diamonds got big chill. Bought me a big pill.